Want to learn how to get in the stock market? Let's get started. So, before we get started, you need to know this. First, stocks are an investment, and you should not be using any money that you can't afford to lose when investing. Second, I am
not a professional or licensed stock trader.
Jesus, he's not a f***ing god!
You don't know what I am! You don't know what I can do!
So, take my advice with a grain of salt and make sure you're doing your own research. Okay, so now since we've gone over that and you're still interested, now you need to find an online brokerage and sign up. What are the sites I would recommend? I would suggest signing up with Robinhood. I use Robinhood. Robinhood's a good source. Robinhood's a good site to use. And if you use the link in the bio, you can get one free stock. There's a site called Webull where you can get one free stock for signing up with the link below, worth up to $250,000. And you can get another free stock for just adding in $100 into your account and getting stock. You can also use this site, eTrade. I use all three sites. I highly recommend all three. They're all pretty good sites. There are a bunch of other sites out there that you can use, but I recommend these three. If you go out and do research and find a better site that you'd rather use, good for you. And comment below the site's name so I can look into it and figure out if that might be better. Now, since you figured out your brokerage and you signed up, now you need to figure out what are the different types of investments. You have index funds. Basically, an index fund is a fund that buys shares from a bunch of different companies, and however well those companies are doing is how well the index fund does. I would suggest looking into the Vanguard S&P 500. You have dividend stocks. Dividend stocks consist of companies that pay dividends. Dividends are a profit that the shareholders get from companies for investing in their company. You'd make money off of your investment and your investment growing, but you'd also make money off of like monthly or quarterly shares and dividends that get paid to you from the corporation. These dividend paying stocks are like Johnson & Johnson, Clorox, AT&T, and ExxonMobil. Next we have bonds. Bond. James Bond. Wait, no, that's not right. Hold up. Bond. Stock bond. Oh, bonds. Bonds are a safer type of stock. They are a little bit less risk and less reward than normal stocks. Bonds pay out like dividends do, but they're more likely to pay out. Bonds to look into. Fidelity high yield factor. Xtrackers low beta high yield bond. So next we have REITs, aka State Investing Trust, or real estate stocks. So they are a corporation that owns and manages real estate properties and mortgages. So yes, you can get into real estate by investing into stocks. REITs to look into would be Select Sector SPDR shares, Cohen and Steers Realty majors. Next you should look into
Cryptocurrency.
Cryptocurrency is currency that uses digital files as money. It's very unpredictable. I personally don't have any stocks in cryptocurrency, but I'm still looking into it and I'm waiting for the right time to get in. Some cryptocurrency that you should look into are Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Finally, you need to look into penny stocks. Penny stocks are companies that trade below $1. Might be the most unpredictable of the stocks, but if you find a hidden gem, then you can make big. I personally have a bunch of penny stocks that are just waiting there for the time where they rise and become full stocks. I'm sorry, but right now I don't have any suggestions for penny stocks. They're too unpredictable, and I am not gonna suggest stocks and have them not working for you. So, if you want to get into penny stocks, do research and figure it out. Okay, now since you've figured out the types of investments, you need to figure out how much you can actually put in. Don't put in money that you aren't willing to lose. I cannot repeat that enough. Do not put in money that you cannot and you are not willing to lose. Also, you have to be willing to put this money in to an investment into stocks and hold it there and not bother it and just leave it there until it's time. The feeling of taking a stock out and it not being ready, and then a week later or some time later you look back and figure out that you could have made $1,000 or a bunch of money from holding it.
No, no, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
So I suggest buying and holding, because that's life as an investor. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember, if you use the links below, you can get one free stock for signing up for Robinhood and a second free stock for signing up for Webull. Remember, like for the algorithm, share so that everyone can get the information and figure out exactly how to get in the stock market. Comment, let me know what you think, what brokerages you think are best, and subscribe to make me happy. Thanks for watching.